You're not the gun expert. I gotta be more careful with the guns with you. You know, when the guns are loaded, I don't want to load the guns until I turn the other way. You know, I gotta be more careful because I'm the gun expert, not you. But I gotta be smarter than you. When I turn the other way, then I can put a bullet in the gun. You know, no, I don't want to do this thing, all that stuff. You know, there's a bullet in there. You know. Now I turn this way. I can shoot. You know, I'm gonna shoot the metal.
The blue metal there by the tree.
I'm gonna shoot as fast as possible.
Okay.
If I don't smoke cigarettes, I can't hit anything. When I smoke cigarettes, I see 3 targets. Yeah,